I'm Michael Halliday, the Clinical Research Director for Upright Spine Solutions, a group of surgeons, doctors, physical therapists, and scientists who've devoted over 40 years to helping people who suffer from chronic neck and back problems assume responsibility for their own problem. And to that end, we've developed the Uprightly program, which helps individuals control their own suffering for a lifetime.
I'm Stephen Halliday. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Upright Spine Solutions and co-creator of the Uprightly program. The Uprightly program is something new. It's not something people have tried. It exists because there's a lot of medical professionals who have been doing a lot of research over 40 years to deliver something that's long-term. We want to help people overcome their spine conditions, their spine disease, with something more than just a temporary remedy. Patients will sign up for a free consultation, whether in person or virtually. They'll meet with a coach one-on-one so they can have a personalized program that meets their specific needs. We want to help them understand how they can take control. We help them with assessment, we equip them with tools in their home, and we give them that coaching and hand-holding through a program that gives them the opportunity to take control and have a spine-healthy life. You can't manage what you can't measure. And so we measure spine shape. We measure the spine and assess the spine in a way that's not done in any other fashion. MRI, X-ray doesn't tell us what we need to know. We want to find out what the structural integrity of someone's skeletal frame is doing because of their job, sitting hunched over a computer or sleeping on a sagging mattress or whatever is causing the spine to change over time as we age. We want to find out what we're dealing with. We measure people regularly as they follow the program and track their progress. They can see change that takes place soon, and they learn better techniques on how to protect themselves where they spend their time.
When you get hurt, there's a part of you that goes through a shock and fear of how am I going to get better? What's the next step to get better? After starting the Uprightly program, I was able to live pain-free within about a week, and I was able to get back to my regular routine within 2 weeks. And 5 weeks later, I was back to normal life.
When a patient enrolls in the Uprightly program, they receive an in-home exercise device. We call it the Uplifter. It was designed initially for a clinic so that people could rebuild their spine's health, your spine shape, your posture, as well as improving disc health. As we've done this, we found that people are restoring height as well as their posture. So we're not just standing the 2x4 upright, we're finding people are restoring and regaining height. So we started developing products to support the program because people would spend all this time rebuilding and restoring a better spine shape, and then they would go back to their jobs working at a computer and they would undo everything. So we developed products that protect people like an orthodontist, after removing braces, gives you a retainer to keep your smile where you need it to be. We provide products to help hold your spine where it needs to be, where you spend your time. So commuting in the car, we have a portable support that you could dial in the exact shape of your spine that meets an orthopedic need. We have office chairs that go way beyond the ergonomics of the world and have an orthopedic standard, meeting specific criteria set by medical professionals to make sure that we are supporting every joint in your body from ankle to neck. And then people always asked, what was the best mattress? So we developed a mattress that we can unzip the cover and have control over what our patients are sleeping on. We can customize the foam, so each person, if you have 2 people on a bed, you can have soft on one side, firm on the other. We've sectioned the support layers so that it can be rotated like rotating tires on your car. The products were designed to support the program, so we have a comprehensive approach at empowering people to take control of their spine health, rebuild and restore, but also protect where they spend their time.
This program was very different from what I was hearing from other spine specialists, that I could do something about it, that I didn't have to be stuck in just treating a pain or a symptom, but there's something that I could do for my spine health. I can make improvements and I can find some type of relief, strength, stamina, things that I'm looking for, overall spine health that I can do on my own and not necessarily feeling like I have any control in the way that I can deal with my spine health.
I would guess if there's anybody out there who's dealing with similar back problems, you've gone and got the same answers I have, and probably gone away with the same feelings that I have of, well, that doesn't sound like we're fixing the problem. We're just gonna cover this up so you don't feel the pain. And that's just not how my mind works. Let's fix root cause. And This is as close as I've come to actually hearing someone say, we're actually just gonna put things back the way they should be. And that feels better to me, that sounds correct, and so give it a shot. I mean, a high success rate, why not? You've tried other things, you probably wasted your money on a lot of other things that you thought were gonna help. Do this.
The Uprightly program is the culmination of a mountain of research with a single purpose: to help you and me, all of us who have back and neck problems, assume responsibility, care for, and manage our own suffering to prevent its happening again, to help me go forward with hope and understanding that should something happen, I know exactly what to do, so that I am thereby skilled at being my own best spine caregiver. When you are ready to take control of your own back and neck problems, please schedule a free consultation and see if the Uprightly program isn't right for you.